Good morning, students. This lesson is of class 6 for the subject of physics, lesson 4, simple machines of your textbook, Concise Physics, Selena Publications. It is being submitted to you on 18th January 2021. You have already learned about the different functions of simple machine. Also, we have done the lever, pulley, and wheel and axle simple machines in detail. Today, we are going to discuss the inclined plane, wedge, and screw in detail. First, inclined plane. An inclined plane is a sloping surface. It is a simple machine which is used to move a load up with a less effort. You must have seen the loading of drums on a truck using a wooden plank. Here, the wooden plank is actually acting as an inclined plane. Other examples are like winding hill road and winding staircase. An inclined plane helps us to multiply force. The mechanical advantage of an inclined plane is always greater than 1. I repeat, mechanical advantage of an inclined plane is always greater than 1. Mechanical advantage is more when the slope is smaller and less steep, as the effort needed to push the load up is less. Length of slope AB must be much more than its vertical height AC. Again, length of slope AB must be less than AC, its vertical height. It is very unwise to make a straight road to the top of a hill, as vehicles will not be able to exert sufficient force to push themselves up the steep road. However, if a winding road with a gentle slope is built around the hill, then the vehicles can easily climb it. Thus, a hill road is a winding inclined plane. Next is wedge. A wedge is a simple machine having a sharp edge which is formed by putting two inclined planes together. Axe, knife, and needle are examples of wedge. Wedge work on the principle of reducing the surface area so that the force applied produces maximum pressure. Again, wedge works on the principle of reducing the surface area so that the force applied produces maximum pressure. Wedges are used to cut, pierce, or slice materials. Next simple machine is screw. A screw is a simple machine which appears like an inclined plane wound around a rod with a pointed tip. A screw is made by cutting the spiral grooves on the surface of a metal rod. The spiral grooves are called threads. I repeat, a screw is a simple machine which appears like an inclined plane wound around a rod with a pointed tip. A screw can easily be driven into the wood by turning it with a screwdriver because the screw then works as an inclined plane. Now, our next topic is maintenance and care of machines. If a machine is to be used for a long time, it needs care and maintenance. Number one, we should keep the machine clean and free from dust because dust increases the wear and tear of the machines. Number two, the machine parts which are made of iron must be painted to avoid rusting. Number three, friction causes wear and tear of the moving parts of a machine. To reduce friction, the moving parts of a machine must be properly lubricated from time to time. Now, children, let us recall the two formulas of mechanical advantage that you already know. Number one, mechanical advantage is equal to load upon effort. Number two, mechanical advantage is equal to effort arm upon load arm. Let us solve the numericals based on these formulas. Question 1. A machine requires an effort of 10 kgf for a load of 50 kgf. Find its mechanical advantage. Now, what is given? Load equal to 50 kgf, effort equal to 10 kgf. The formula used here is mechanical advantage is equal to load upon effort. That is equal to 50 upon 10. Hence, mechanical advantage is equal to 5. Next question. Calculate the mechanical advantage of a lever in which effort arm is 60 centimeter and the load arm is 4 centimeter. What is given? Effort arm equal to 60 centimeter and load arm is equal to 4 centimeter. Mechanical advantage is equal to effort arm upon load arm equal to 60 upon 4. So mechanical advantage is equal to 15. With this topic, we have completed our chapter. Kindly try the numericals given on page number 62 of your textbook. Thank you, children.